How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. So this is from the Firearm website. So all credit to them, and no, I am not trying to sell any firearms. I want to make that disclaimer for YouTube because they try to take down some of my videos. Anyways, Colt Optics' new LE-only laser shows where aiming tech is heading. So Colt Optics is playing for keeps with the new LP5XP, a weapon-mounted aiming laser that skips the usual first-generation stumble and walks into battle tested. Built in partnership with Brolis Defense, this unit has already been standardized and fielded across NATO forces, which means the US version you're looking at now isn't some designer's fever dream. It's earned its stripes in the field. But there is a catch. The LP5XP is restricted to law enforcement and military sales only, unfortunately, so if you're only a civilian shooter, this one stays behind the glass, which is a little bit sad, but I just wanted to make this video to let you know and report the news. So that said, understanding what LE and military operators are running kind of tells you where the broader tactical market is heading, especially with laser technology and where it's really being pursued. So the appeal is straightforward: 4 co-aligned laser emitters stacked into a single compact housing. You get a visible green pointer for bright daylight work, an IR pointer for night vision operations, an electronically adjustable IR illuminator for painting targets at variable distances, and a separate VCSEL IR flood for wide area illumination. Every single one of them zeroes to the same point of impact because they're perfectly aligned, so you don't have to mess with offsets or just recalibrating each time you switch modes. The aiming lasers sit directly over the bore line to keep the point of aim to point of impact offset to a bare minimum, and the US LP5XP specifically gets a 26 milliwatt visible laser bumped up to cut through extreme brightness. Colt resized the divergence adjustment knob for gloved hand operation, which is the kind of detail that separates field-proven gear from laboratory gimmicks. An adjustable flip-up, back-up iron sight is integral to the housing, and the whole rig seals to IP68, runs on a single CR123 battery, weighs just about 185 grams, so under 200 grams is impressive, and mounts low profile to any MIL STD 1913 or Stanag 4694 Picatinny rail. It operates from -32 all the way to 71 degrees Celsius, housed in reinforced glass fiber, filled polymer. If a civilian legal multi-emitter aiming laser ever hits the market, would the price to performance justify it over a single spectrum visible or IR setup? You be the judge. So type a comment down below of what you think about this new laser from Colt Optics and where laser technology is going, and what you think about this LP5XP. And once again, I'm not trying to sell any firearms, YouTube, so please don't take down this video. Consider subscribing, guys, if you want to stay up to date with everything weapon and war related. I do update videos on conflicts, I do list videos, everything in between, so definitely ring the bell if you don't want to miss any video I post in the future, and smash the like button. A thumbs up is greatly appreciated. It does help me out in the YouTube algorithm, kind of pushes my videos to a new audience, and it only takes a few seconds, so why not do it? And take a look at my older videos on the channel. Lots of content there to binge watch, high quality, and see you guys in my next video. Take care.